Every great story has a main character. And in this one, it's Eliza Jean-Marie, or as we lovingly call her, Light. It all started on July 7th, 2007, when light came into our lives and instantly brightened our world. As a child, Light already stood out. One of our favorite things to ask her back then was to mimic animal sounds, and she amazed us every time. It wasn't just the usual dog or cat. She could even imitate the sound of an ant, a butterfly, or a grasshopper. That's how talented she was. Ibang level. She was once the super coolit kid who lit up every visit to Cavite from Caloocan. Her dimple? Not inborn. It showed up from all her playful energy. Ama used to call her Layang Layang, like a bird, always moving, always free. When we were still living in Caloocan, she was consistently top 1 in class. She loved joining contests and always enjoyed dressing up. Fashionable even at a young age, she once wore a peacock costume and was so proud of it. She loved to pretend she was a model, wrapping herself in blankets, walking like she had wings. She'd watch sales ladies at the mall with admiration, drawn to their makeup and heels. Or as she'd say back then, nakataong. That was her childhood dream, to be just like them. And looking at her now, still fashionable and full of grace, we can say she never lost that spark. But more than that, as she grew older, we saw how incredibly diligent and focused she was with her studies. Her dad remembers being so impressed because he wasn't like that when he was her age. She started with tutors, but eventually developed her own study habits and discipline. And not once have the parents been called to school because of any misbehavior. So, if there's one word that best describes Light from childhood up to now, it's mabait. And being mabait isn't just one trait. It encompasses everything good about her. She's obedient, never complaining, always completing tasks with a full heart. She's generous, giving not just material things, but time, energy, and care, while still knowing how to set boundaries. She's affectionate in the most subtle ways, sitting beside you quietly, lightly tapping for attention, or simply lying next to you. And even without words, you'll feel the love. She's humble, never needing anything flashy. Despite her achievements, she remains grounded, simple, and always chooses practicality. And yes, matalino at maganda rin naman talaga siya, kahit sabihin na natin na naman na lang niya yun. And with that, we wish you the happiest birthday. Stay the same, or better yet, strive to become an even greater version of yourself. So here's to the girl we all love. Sit back and enjoy this episode filled with laughter, memories, and heartfelt messages from the people who know her by heart. Once again, happy birthday, Light.
Hi Light, happy birthday. Hindi ko nahihilingin na sana bumait ka kasi alam ko naman mabait ka na. I just wish na sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo at sana matupad din natin yung promise natin. Yun lang. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Light. I hope you're happy today. And sana matupad mo lahat ng mga dreams mo. Alam ko naman na mabait ka, hindi ka na kailangan bantayan ni Tito, pero si Tito andito pa rin kung may kailangan tayo. Yun lang. Huwag kang magsasawang makinig kay nanay at kay tatay, ha. Happy birthday ulit. God love lagi.
Hi Light! Happy 18th birthday! Gusto ko lang sabihin na proud ako sa'yo. Hindi lang dahil sa mga achievements mo, pero dahil nakikita ko na mas responsable ka na ngayon, and lalo na kay Sky. And thank you sa pag-aalaga mo kay Nainay dyan. Nakikita ko kung paano mo siya mahalin, lalo na magkasama kayo, ayaw mo siyang napapagod. And lagi lang kami nandito lahat, family mo, nakasupport sa'yo sa anumang gusto mong marating sa buhay, kung saan ka masaya at kung ano ang desire ng heart mo, sana matupad. Mahal kita and lagi kang magdadasal.
Happiest 18th birthday, Ate Light. We love and miss you. See you soon. Hope you have a wonderful 18th birthday. Love you.
Hello, Ate Light. Happy 18th birthday. Wow, 18 ka na. Dalagang dalaga ka na. Ang wish ko sa'yo, good health at mag-aral ng mabuti. Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. At yan lang naman ang hiling ng mga parents para sa kanilang mga anak. Yung makapagtapos sila. So, napakaswerte nyo dahil may parents kayo na kayang-kayang i-provide lahat ng needs nyo. So, mag-aral mabuti. At hindi gaya ng mga ibang bata, makatapos lang ng pag-aaral, magwo-working student, kayo, may mga parents na kayang-kaya kayong suportahan. So, mag-aral na mabuti. At enjoy your day. I love you!
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Light. I wish that when I can go back to the Philippines, I can do more stuff with you. Okay.
Happy birthday!
What's your wish to Ate?
I hope you're safe in Japan over Christmas.
Grab your meat, put it to the side so you don't see it. Say I'm lying.
That's
Can't
it?
say I'm lying.
Happy birthday, Ate Light. We miss you, love you, Mama. Choo choo.
Happy birthday, Ate Light. Ikaw magbago. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Ate Light. Good luck sa iyong college life and everything nice. Yes, galing. And keep baking pa, ha? I love you.
Ate Light. Happy birthday, Ate Light. Happy birthday, Ate Light. Happy birthday, Ate Light.
That's it.
Happy birthday, Ate Light.
Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Light. Ingat palagi. Enjoy your college life. Happy birthday, ha?
Birthday Light, thank you very much. Treat kahapon. And good luck on your studies. Sana makatapos ka ng maayos at ayun, good luck na lang.
Happy birthday, Light. Spread your wings and achieve your goals. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Light. 18 years old ka na. Magka-college ka na din. So, good luck sa studies mo pagpasok mo sa Ateneo. Kapag kailangan mo ng kausap, huwag mong kakalimutan na nandito lang kaming mga pinsan mo para sa'yo. Yun lang. God bless.
Happy birthday, Light! Good luck sa bagong chapter mo sa buhay and more birthdays to come. Tapos, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Hi, Light. Happy 18th birthday. I feel so lucky to know someone like you na all in one package. As in, maganda, mabait, sweet, genuine, hardworking, matalino, and super humble pa. Kaya I'm so proud of you. Best of luck sa lahat ng tatahakin mo sa buhay. Alam kong malayo ang mararating mo and I will always be rooting for you. So enjoy your special day. Deserve mo lahat ng love, happiness, and success sa buong mundo. Love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Light. Sana ma-enjoy mo tong araw na to ng full of happiness and love sa heart mo. And thank you for everything na natulong mo sa akin. Every time na kailangan kong may pagrantan, pinipm lang kita, and thank you for responding lagi. And sa pagiging isa sa mga human diary ko, sa mga kalokohan man yan and sa mga serious things. And thank you din sa trust na binigay mo every time din na nagkukwento ka sa akin, and kung ano yung kailangan i-keep and secret natin talaga. Sana kahit nasa Manila ka na, makapag ano pa din tayo, chit-chat, and makapag-catch up pa din tayo. Kahit hindi man palagi, pero every time na kailangan mo, chat mo lang kami. Chat mo lang ako. And sana, masaya ka sa lahat ng messages na maririnig mo at narinig mo na. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Light. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Light. Good luck. Sana ang wish ko lamang makatapos ka sa iyong napiling kurso. Pagpatuloy mo lang, pagiging mabait na bata mo, magalang, magrespeto. Kasi pinalaki ka ng mga magulang mo ng maayos. Ang gusto ko lamang, sana maging mabait ka. And good luck sa iyong pag-aaral. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Light. Happy birthday. Hope you have a great day today. And thank you sa lahat ng mga ginawa mo for me sa pagtutulong sa akin at sa pagiging parang sort of teacher ko. I hope na magkaroon ka ng more birthdays to come and na magkaroon ka ng fun ngayon sa birthday mo and na maging happy ka. I love you.
Hi Light, happy 18th birthday. Ang bilis ng panahon, 18 years old ka na agad. And I thank God every day for having you as our daughter. I am proud of you and I am blessed. You are one of the greatest blessings that God has given us. Sa amin ni tatay, sa kapatid mo, kay Sky, kay Nainay, titos and titas, cousins, and the rest of the family. I am proud of you and what you have grown to become. Beautiful, smart, intelligent, thoughtful, caring, sweet, responsible, respectful, and God-fearing. I'm sorry that I am not physically there with you to celebrate this day, but I promise to always guide you and protect you despite the distance. Nana is just a voice call or video call away or a message away. Pwede mo ako isabihan ng kahit ano, ng mga nangyayari sa university life, sa dorm life, or kapag may nanliligaw na sa'yo. Pagbalik ko, I promise to be ever present on all the special occasions in your life and whenever you need me. Thank you for all the things that you do kapag sinacharge mo yung phone ko kahit hindi ko sinasabi, for watching Korean dramas with me, sa bawat baso ng tubig na binibigay mo kasi gusto mo madami akong iniinom na tubig, for the yummy cookies and the goodies na binibake mo, for doing the techie things that I couldn't do, for understanding the sacrifices na kailangan namin gawin ni tatay for our family kahit na it means na malayo kami ni tatay sa inyo. Thank you for stepping up sa mga responsibilities na hindi namin napupulfill ni tatay for now, for being the best ate kay Sky, for inspiring her. Thank you for also inspiring me to become a better mother. Thank you for all the lambings, the wet kisses, sa pagsiksik mo sa akin kahit mainit, sa mga hugs. Thank you for being obedient daughter. Kahit 18 ka na, baby ka pa din para kay nanay. Not so young and yet not so old. I love you, anak. I wish you all the best in life. I hope that you enjoy the adulthood and make wise decisions as you navigate this journey. May God bless you always. Mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal ka ni nanay, and I always want the best for you. I hope you enjoy your day. I love you so much, and I miss you always. I love you.
Hi, Light. Happy 18th birthday. So, ito na yung one of the moments na pinaghahandaan natin, hinihintay natin. No? So, 18 years old ka na. Not so much of a kid or baby that carefree. Ngayon, meron ka ng mga responsibilities. You need to get out of your comfort zone. Lalabas ka ng bahay, punta ka Manila para mag-college, and you need to be responsible. Pinaghandaan naman na natin yan. Pinag-usapan na natin countless times. But always remember that you're not so much of an adult also, na hindi ka na namin pakikialaman. Wala na kaming suporta sa'yo. We will always be here, kami ni Nanay, pati si Sky. Sa lahat ng mga endeavors mo sa buhay, gusto mong marating, we will support you. We love you. And mapapayo ko sa'yo, huwag ka makakalimot sa Panginoon. Siyempre, always pray. Huwag mo rin kalilimutan na maging humble, no? Look back to your small beginnings, no? Paano nagsisimula tayo. And alam mo naman na mula nung naglipat-lipat tayo ng bahay, kung paano tayo lumipat from Caloocan to Cavite, to Caloocan, to Cavite ulit, from Lola's house to apartment to Gulod, no? So makikita mo na it's a process, hindi siya biglaan, pinaghihirapan yan, no? Lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo na kailangan ng disiplina, kailangan na maging masipag, don't cut corners, no? And delayed gratifications, no? Kinakailangan magsipag, mag-prioritize ng mga gawain, no? So kung alam mo na yan. I just hope na maging fruitful yung pagpunta mo ng Manila, no? Pagsikapan mo na maging successful, pagsikapan mo na ma-achieve yung mga goals mo sa buhay. Huwag mo kaming intindihin, kami ang susuporta sa'yo. It's our job na suportahan ka. Ano pa ba? We love you. And ako primarily, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Mahal na mahal kita. Kung napapagalitan, alam mo naman na yung lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo na kaya ako kayo pinapagalitan kasi mahal ko kayo. I care for you. I care for Sky. And I hope na ganun ka din kay Sky, na itama mo kung may mga mali si Sky. Be a responsible sister, no? Responsible daughter, which you are naman talaga na, no? Hindi naman na yun baga basic naman na yun sa'yo. Just keep doing it na lang siguro. Yun na lang. Okay? Congratulations sa mga achievements mo, anak. Kahit pagsamahin yung mga achievements namin ni Nanay, parang kayang-kaya mong lampasan. And yan yung isa sa mga tinuro sa akin ni Mamay, ni Lolo mo, na lampasan kung ano yung achievements niya. I tried, no? Pero ito na yung na-achieve ko. Hopefully, siguro yun din yung gusto kong i-impart sa'yo, na lampasan yung achievements ko. Not necessarily take the same path. Pero siguro gayahin yung effort or gayahin yung attitude, no? Na makamit yung gustong marating. Not the same path, kasi hindi naman kaya same ni Mamay, no? Siya accountant, ako medical, no? Pero sa iyo din, iba din naman ang path mo. Not the same path, pero siguro the same attitude towards your goals, no? Develop your study habit, develop good attitude, at ang success hindi lang pala yan na susukat sa mga achievements, ha? along the way may meet ka ng mga tao, no? Kinakailangan maging humble ka. Hindi lang ang success is about achievement. It's also about connection sa mga kasama mo, no? How you impart your knowledge, your skills, how you make a difference, and not so much siguro na sa mga praises, pero yung respect nung mga katrabaho mo, tao sa paligid mo, and ando doon. That's also part of being successful, or yung journey mo to being successful siguro din. Ayun, siguro dami ko nang nasabi. 10 minutes na. So happy birthday again, anak. I love you so much.
Waiting for time, will I be better off?